Design used to be intimidating. You'd either spend hours learning complicated tools or pay someone else to do it for you. But then Canva came along and changed the game, making design as simple as dragging and dropping. And now, with the power of AI, Canva isn't just making design easier, it's making it smarter. I spent time putting Canva AI to the test, and here's my honest take. Canva AI is an expansion of Canva's already popular design platform, weaving artificial intelligence directly into the creative process. Instead of starting from a blank canvas, you can now generate text, images, presentations, and even video ideas with just a prompt. The goal isn't to replace human creativity, it's to accelerate it. Whether you're a marketer, a small business owner, or just someone who wants beautiful social media graphics without the stress, Canva AI offers an assistant that feels both powerful and approachable. The first standout is Magic Design. You enter a prompt or upload your content, and Canva instantly creates professional layouts. It takes care of typography, colors, and spacing while letting you tweak until it feels personal. This is a huge time saver for anyone juggling multiple projects or clients. Another highlight is Magic Write, Canva's AI-powered text generator. Need catchy ad copy, blog intros, or email subject lines? It produces results in seconds. It's not always perfect, but it gives you a strong starting point that beats staring at a blinking cursor. For visual content, text-to-image is where the magic happens. Just describe what you want, like a futuristic city skyline at sunset in watercolor style, and Canva AI generates unique artwork. It's a simple way to get custom visuals without needing stock images or outside illustrators. Canva AI also shines in presentations. With Magic Presentation, you provide a topic, and Canva builds an entire slide deck for you, structured, formatted, and visually appealing. For busy professionals, students, or speakers, this can turn hours of work into minutes. Despite all its strengths, Canva AI isn't flawless. The generated text from Magic Write often needs editing to match your voice or brand, especially if you're targeting a specific audience. It's great for drafts, but not quite ready for publish without human polish. The image generator is fun, but can feel limited compared to more advanced AI art tools. Sometimes results are repetitive or miss details in the prompt. And while it's impressive inside a design platform, it may not replace dedicated image generation software for professional illustrators. Another consideration is that some advanced AI features are locked behind Canva Pro. If you're on the Canva AI takes an already beloved platform and supercharges it with tools that make creativity faster and more accessible. It's not trying to replace designers or writers, but instead acts like a creative partner, offering drafts, ideas, and visuals that help you get from blank page to polished product faster. For small businesses, creators, teachers, and even corporate teams, Canva AI is a no-brainer. It simplifies design, saves time, and adds a spark of inspiration when you're stuck. But like any AI tool, it's best seen as an assistant, not an autopilot. The human touch, your vision, your style, your personality, is what takes its outputs from good to great. So here's the bottom line. Canva AI makes design smarter, faster, and more fun, but it still needs you to make it meaningful. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you'd create with Canva AI?